Hello everyone. Today I want to share the process of creating a figurine of a Knight Hospitaller Crusader. This order, also known as Johanitas or the Order of St. John, was founded in 1099 and named after John the Baptist. By the mid-20th century, the order had become a powerful military structure in Palestine, responsible for protecting the borders of the Crusader states. The original goal of the Crusaders was to spread the Christian faith. But as we know, any violent imposition leads to conflicts. After I had sculpted the main bust and given it a suitable pose, I began to create high leather boots. Then began the long process of creating chainmail. With a thin tool I made indentations, alternating rows. The Johannites, like the Templars, grew rich by seizing lands and stealing wealth from local peoples. During that era, Europe became rich under the guise of faith, and the Crusader orders became richer than kings. Anyone who wanted to could go to the Jerusalem for the forgiveness of sins and the acquisition of untold riches. As Liam Neeson's character, Baron Debelin, said in the film Kingdom of Heaven, "If you didn't even have a horse in France, then in Jerusalem you will own a city." Chainmail is the knight's main armor, protecting him from chopping blows. Tunics with a cross or coat of arms were worn over it. I sculpted folds on the tunic, like on a relic family. Today we will travel back to the Third Crusade, to the Battle of Acre. The Crusaders, led by Richard I, the Lionheart, are fighting the Saracen army led by Salah ad-Din. Our warrior is a knight of the army of Christ, fighting the infidels with his trusty blade. When creating the Crusader figurine, I relied on photos from the internet. The battle has been going on for more than an hour. It is clear from the knight that he has participated in battles more than once. His tunic is torn in the chest area, but he has not received any noticeable damage. Added laser straps and a belt. Also, bracers and shoulder pads are not typical for this image. I decided to include them as they provide good protection from slashing blows. A triptop shaped shield with a cross on it provides protection for the warrior in close combat and from enemy arrows. The sword is the knight's main weapon, with the saint's relics in the hilt. He also has an axe, which serves both as a tool and as an additional weapon in case the sword is knocked out of his hands. In addition to the sword, the knight has a dangerous chillet, allowing him to deliver stabbing blows under the armor. Creating the head and face is one of the most difficult stages of sculpting. Since I am not a sculptor, it's difficult for me to convey a portrait likeness, and I often have to redo the faces or the figures several times.
The knight's helmet is suitable for foot combat. The back of the head is covered with chainmail, which allows the head to move. It is formed with a gold border and decorated with crosses. Most likely this is a type of bassinet, but I'm not sure.
I'm creating a sand stand. Often, to creating the soil, I use glue and ground coffee, which I am not going to drink because it has a terrible taste. I like to add natural stones, moss and branches to the stand, which, in my opinion, adds realism to my works. By the way, it was after watching Kingdom of Heaven that I became interested in the Crusaders and knightly orders, especially the secrets of the Templar Order. In conclusion, it remains to paint the figurine, which also adds realism. I hope you enjoy the process of creating the Johanniter statue. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and of course write which character you would like to see me perform.